Today we're looking at the wattage to amperage interactive calculator, which solves electrical power conversions between watts, amps, voltage, and power factor. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: DC Circuit Calculate Amperage, AC Single-Phase Calculate Amperage, AC 3-Phase Calculate Amperage, Calculate Watts from Amps, Calculate Required Voltage, and Calculate Power Factor from Real Power. For this demo, I'll select DC Circuit Calculate Amperage. When you select DC Circuit mode, you'll see 2 input fields. First is power in watts, with a placeholder showing 1200 as an example. Second is voltage in volts, with placeholder 24. These are the only 2 inputs needed for DC calculations. Let's enter 1200 watts and 24 volts. Click Calculate, and the calculator immediately shows your amperage result. This tells you the current draw for your DC circuit. The calculation uses Ohm's law, dividing power by voltage to give you the exact amperage needed for your circuit design. This tool eliminates manual calculations and reduces errors in your electrical system planning. Find the link in the description below.